Good day to you coders, and thank you for supporting us on Project Collaborate. In this video, we'll be going over the map interface. So you're probably wondering, what exactly is a map interface? Well, the map interface operates based on the idea of having a key and a value. And the key is your accessor value. This allows you to access the actual value. And then your value is the element you're accessing through the key. And one thing you'll want to note is that a map cannot have duplicate keys. And so the map interface is implemented by three different classes: the hash map, tree map, and linked hash map class. Here's a little visual for how the keys and values work. So if I had a key called blue, and I could map it to a value called sky. I have a key called yellow, I can map it to a value called sun, and if I had a key called green, I can map it to a value called grass. And so when I access blue, it'll give me a value of sky. When I access yellow, it'll give me a value of sun, and when I access green, it'll give me a value of grass. So what's a hash map? A hash map is a collection of keys and values that are ordered based on hashing. So that means it does not maintain insertion order. And in order to use a hash map, you do hash map h equals new hash map, or map h equals new hash map. What's a tree map? A tree map is also a collection of keys and values that are ordered based on the value of the key. So it orders the keys from least to greatest. And the big thing you want to note here is that it orders the keys and not the actual values. And so in order to use a tree map, you can do tree map t equals new tree map, or map t equals new tree map. What's a linked hash map? Well, a linked hash map is also a collection of keys and values that are ordered, but they're ordered based on insertion order. So unlike a hash map, a linked hash map maintains insertion order. So depending on the order I add the elements in, that's the order it'll appear in. And in order to use a linked hash map, you can do linked hash map L equals new linked hash map, or map L equals new linked hash map. So in order to use the map interface, you'll need to import Java utilities, and so you can do import java.util.asterisk or import java.util.map. And then in order to declare the classes that implement map, you can just do so by simply doing map1 equals new hash map, map2 equals new linked hash map, or map3 equals new tree map. And just one thing to note is if you decide to import java.util.map, you'll also need to import the respective class you use. So if I use hash map, I'll need to import java.util.hashmap. However, if I do it the first way, I won't have to worry about that because the star will import everything in Java utilities. So generics with maps are rather unique because with generics you'll actually have two types. So your first parameter for your generics will be the type for your key, and then the second parameter will be the type for your value. So in this example, you can see we've made a hash map and we have two generics, integer and string, and the key will be of type integer, and then the values will be of type string. So in order to add elements to a map, we'll use the put method, and this is actually different from the set and list interfaces where we use the add method. But the put method takes in two arguments. The first parameter is the key, the second parameter is the value. So for example, here we have a hash map of integer and string generics, and we are putting in 4 as our key and hello as our value. And then when you print out the map, we'll see 4 equals hello. And that just means that 4 is mapped to hello. In order to access elements from a map, we use the get method, and the get method takes in one argument, it's the key. And so we have a hash map here as well, and we are putting in 4, hello as our key value pair, and now we're accessing the value that's mapped to 4, and we do that by doing map.get4. And that'll print out hello for us. Finally, we have the remove method. The remove method takes in one argument, and that's the key. And so in our example here, we have a hash map. We're putting in 4, hello, but we're removing 4, so that'll also remove hello because hello is mapped to 4, and then when we print out the map, we'll have an empty map. And with that being said, that's all we have to cover in this video. If you guys have any questions, drop a comment down below or join our Discord server, and thank you for watching.